Hi guys, thank you so much for stopping by today and taking the time to watch my video. Today we're going to go ahead and do the unboxing for Boxycharm of April. If you guys don't know, that's a $21 a month. I think they went up to $22 if I'm not mistaken. And you get 5 full products every month. Sometimes deluxe sizes, but usually is full products, which you can never go wrong. And it once again is $21 a month, which is awesome for all the products that you get. Also, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link down below for you can go ahead and click on it. If you want to subscribe under me, I don't get anything from them at all. It's just that I get points for I can redeem products, for I can come in my box, but I don't get any type of sponsorship by them or any means. I just, you would just help me out if I can get products and points, for free. Other than that, go ahead if you want to know what I got for this month, go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what I got for the month of April in Boxycharm. So the first thing I see here, they changed the card. It looks like this now. And you get Dr. Brand VIP offer and a Tarte 10% off for your orders. So it looks like that. And now they have eye candy. That's the theme for this month, and it shows you exactly what you get. So it seems like it's the influencers' favorite items. Pretty cool. So let's go ahead, and as you can see, I did my makeup, my foundation, my blush, my highlighter, my eyebrows. I just didn't do my eyes yet because I know we're getting a palette, so I wanted to try it out on camera. So the first thing I see here is the Vacuum Cleaner Pores No More by Dr. Brandt. Pore Purifying Mask. So I can't wait to try this. So this right here, let's see here, it's $47. So happy to receive that. The next thing I see here is this Tarte Pro Glow. And this one is a Tarte's Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter. And this one is $29.99, and I got mine in Expose. So let's take a look. I already have highlighter. I totally forgot we were going to receive one. So this is what it looks like. Let me go ahead and do a little swatch here. Oh, that's beautiful. See that there? For me, it looks like a goldish kind of highlighter. I never tried liquid one, so this is my first time I'm going to try that. But it blends pretty well into your skin. Love it. I would love this for the summer. So I'm going to try that out soon. Right now, just as you see, I have my highlighter. What I'm wearing, I'm going to go ahead and put it down in the description down below. The makeup I'm wearing today for you to see the products. Now the next thing I see here is the Brow Hair number 2. So it looks like this here. And this one's a tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve natural hair look. And this one is $22.99. I've been getting into more of my eyebrows, so I like to receive that. Let's take a look to see. Very small, the one is brown, so it might work out for me. Let me go ahead and take a look here and see. Well, I already did my eyebrows, so I'm not going to see so much of a difference here right now. But excited to try it and use this. Happy with that. Oh, so happy I received this. I don't have this one. This is the Golden State of Mind. And these are the colors back here. And this one is $26. So it's just with this, the box is paid for. Boxycharm never lets me down. So happy. Let me go ahead and open this and see. These how the color looks like. Very, very pretty. All shimmer. Yeah, I don't see any mattes or satin. They all look shimmery to me. Very pretty. Let me go ahead and do some swatches here. I like this purple one. I like this copper one and this white one here. See that there. It's very pretty. Pigmented. Wow. Love it. So happy. So let's go ahead and try this out. And but like it doesn't have a matte brown for my transition. I'm gonna go ahead and take this palette here from Kathleen Lights, her collaboration with Colourpop, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my crease for I can see how this looks. The first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do is put a whole lid color, which I'm gonna take this one here. And actually, now I'm not gonna put it all over my lid. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my crease, above my crease. As so. Right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take this little deeper brownish color and put it into my crease to deepen it out a little bit more. This one's gonna go right directly into my crease. Alright, like it right there. So now I'm gonna go ahead with the showstopper. And I'm gonna go ahead. First, I'm gonna go ahead and try it without spray on the brush. I'm gonna go ahead and just try to pack it on. Let me see, what color should I use? I think I like this one here, so I'm gonna try this one. Actually, should I try this one? This was supervised. Oh, I really like this one too. This one is sparkler. So I think I'm gonna try sparkler. No, I'm gonna go with unsupervised. Let's go ahead and see. So I'm gonna grab this with a flat shader brush. This one I received in my last month. Boxycharm. So let's go ahead and see. I packed it on, and let's see if it's pigmented enough without setting spray on top of it, or a Fix Plus. As you see right there, looks pretty nice. It's very pigmented. You don't really need to spray it on. If you want to, you could. I'm gonna try that in a minute, but I wanna show you right here. So as you can see, very nice. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put some Fix Plus on it, or my all-nighter spray, and give it a little and see how it goes with that. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put it. Oh, I like it. Both ways you can use them. They both ways are nice, but I like it better with the Fix Plus, or the all-nighter. So let me go ahead and use this Dream Street palette again and blend it out. So love the look. I love the eyes. The eyes are done. Love this palette. Very happy I received it. I really don't have a lot of shimmery palettes, so I'm really happy about that. And let's see, the last thing that I received here was this Adesse New York High Definition Liquid Lipstick. And this one is $24. It doesn't tell me what color it is, but so it looks like this, like a brownish nudish color, like a hint of little pink in there, right there. So it doesn't tell me, but I really like this type of colors. Let's go ahead and put this on. Don't like the applicator. If you've noticed, it goes like that. I don't like that. I like it more like those applicators that shape like your lip, your cupid's bow. I like those, but it will work. There's the lip color, which I really like. Like my look I did today. Love it. Overall, I loved all the products with Boxycharm. I'm very happy. Let me go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes, and I'll be right back. So this is the final look with my I just curl my lashes and my mascara on. Love the lipstick. It still hasn't dried completely, like usually some matte lipsticks does, but it's not sticky, so I like it. I like that, in my personal opinion. I love the eyeshadow palette. The highlighter, I love it too. Just didn't get to try it today. And also the brow stuff, I love that actually. So Boxycharm, you did it again. This month was awesome. I'm so happy. And don't forget to go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment down below. And see you next time. Bye.